My name is Ethan. This is my story, not just about a cheating wife, but about love, pain, God, justice, and a bond I never knew I had inside me. I married Lily at age 26. I thought I found my forever. She loved soft music, late coffee, slow Sundays, and her life was simple. We laughed, built dreams, saved money for a house, and planned to have kids when the time is right. I believed marriage was loyalty, peace, teamwork, and a home where nothing is hidden. But life has two phases. I just didn't know the second phase would break me awake. The change didn't come fast. It started with small things. She said, "I'm going to the gym now." But she already showered before going. I joked once, "You take a bath to sweat?" She forced a laugh. "Just feel clean, okay?" Then, new music. Her phone played loud songs that never matched her old taste. I asked, "Since when do you like this music?" "Oh, just trying new things," she said. Her car was always clean, even cleaner than the house. That was strange because she never cleaned like that before. She guarded her time more than anything. "Why are you counting minutes so much?" I asked. "Because life is busy now," she said. She learned new phrases, jokes, references I never heard in our shared life. One day she said, "Don't overthink, Ethan." She never used that word before. I did overthink, not by choice, by fear. Once I opened the door. She was standing in the wind, smiling with someone on the phone. "Lily, it's freezing. Come in," I said. "One sec," she whispered to the phone, like I was interrupting. My heart asked inside, "One sec? To who?" She always stayed late at night with her phone light on. I felt like the empty side of the bed became bigger each night. "Who are you texting at 12?" I asked one night. "No one important," she said. "Just friends." I lay facing the wall. Inside, I felt a deep hole open in my chest. If it's not important, why is it always late? Why outside? Why new jokes? Why new music? Why clean car but messy house? Men notice silence. Men notice change. Men notice when love leaves the room before the person does. I discovered it by accident. Her gym bag dropped. A receipt fell out. A cafe bill at 9:35 a.m. But she told me the gym was 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. Why cafe at 9:35? Then a message popped on her watch. "Miss your smile this morning." My world stopped. No shouting, no fighting, just a cold truth. I asked softly, "Who misses your smile, Lily?" She froze, and in 1 second our story divided. "I am not happy anymore," she said, eyes watering, "but not for me. I never wanted to hurt you." I stood. The wind outside suddenly felt warmer than the betrayal inside. We divorced. I rebuilt myself, slowly. 2 years later, I got a call from her mom. "She's sick, Ethan. Cancer, stage 3. Doctors say it's serious." My heart shook, not with love returned, but with humanity that never died. I visited the hospital. Lily looked small. She whispered, I deserve this, I said slowly. We all deserve justice, Lily, but we also deserve mercy. The man she cheated on was the man who paid her bills, hospital cost, medicine, and food. I stayed late nights at the hospital. Her mom cried once. Why are you doing this for her? I said, because God saw her evil, but He also sees my heart. She survived after long treatment. Doctors called it a miracle. Lily said sorry, real sorry this time. Not the sorry that protects lies, but the sorry that carries truth. I told her, you broke me, but God rebuilt me stronger. I didn't marry her again, but I forgave her fully. Now I understand. Some pain teaches you your power. Some betrayal shows you your soul, and some endings are actually openings. If my story touched your heart, please subscribe. Maybe your heart also needs hope, mercy, or healing. We grow together, one story at a time.